guys, what's up? I've just had a Saturday at work and now it's time to check out my new my car's new residence. So I finally got around to getting a small industrial factory, and I'm so excited because this is the first time we've ever looked at it, because it was a sight unseen inspection. I got my sister to look at it because I was too busy doing and anyway, so it's just here and we're going to go in, and it's the first time in my life that all of my projects have been in the one space. So I'm really excited to show you guys what it is and to actually get some stuff done, and we're just pulling in now. Okay, you guys are seeing this at the same time as me. Maybe a bit after because I've got to edit the video, but here goes nothing. So yeah, this is it. Small factory. Just like
a store! Look at all the store space! So you do aerobics in here, so many activities! Do step class.
It's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
Play Army Man?
Yeah.
Good. Heaps bigger than it looked.
Yeah. So because I have little cars, I'll be able to put two side by side there. This is my square booth. I'll be on YouTube?
No.
No?
No, not really.
I've been waiting around a while to watch Jock Clayton's like carby powered barrel motorbike. what's up. Haven't really done many YouTube videos lately because I've been too darn busy. So I'm gonna have a beer with you and just do a random chat vlog that goes for 1 beer long. So yeah, got no work done this week because I went to see my missus install and watched like 20 episodes of Sons of Anarchy, and didn't do shit. But anyway, this is my bedroom now. Started to rent a factory, so see, my room's really clean because all my screen printing stuff that used to be stored in a bedroom is now at the factory, so I'm like super keen for that. I think I've only got it for like 4 months, but I'm gonna make the most of it. So yeah, it's 20 to 10, so I've got to be quick. My nieces are asleep, so I'm talking pretty quiet. But 2 things I got this week is this new valve string compressor. It's a Ting Tools one. Ordered it through work because they like stock Ting Tools. I'm so keen to use it. So the first thing I want to use it on is the pre-cross flow Cortina motor. Taking the head off that and changing a few things. But something I really wanted to show you was I got the fridge in. See that? And my water tank has just arrived. Well, I think it is. It's really hard to hold. So I'm going to open that now and give you a look. So I got it from Arnold's Boat Shop. Obviously on eBay. Let's cut this bitch open. Tanks. Plural. Thought I only got one. Anyway, so this is going to go in the van. I chose this because the van is so small. It'd be really handy to be able to store it anywhere, and then with the shape that it seems to take, I'll make a stainless outer tank for it. But it's got those fittings which will go to the coffee machine. Get out.
A few moments later.
So yeah, it is a 75 litre tank and it's food grade and all that sort of stuff, and it's what we're going to be using for the coffee machine. And when I'm assuming it's like a rectangular shape when it's all full of water. On another hand, what I've been doing is I've had this Mark II Escort 4-door, just got a Pinto in it, and I decided to cut some rust out of the firewall 2 nights ago. I'll put a photo up here, and yeah, the small bit of rust that I decided to cut out turned into the whole firewall, and now I've got the whole front off the car for a tube front end, so that escalated quick. But anyway, I'm nearly finished my beer. It's about bedtime, so I've got to get ready for work tomorrow. But thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and that would be really good.